Okay, so does one CPU core able to manage all the processes at the same time? So the answer is no. Actually, it does sequentially, but it seems to us that everything is happening at the same time because it's too fast, right? So it is also applicable. CPU has multiple cores, and we can think like how one core works out of every other cores. Or maybe you can think about like in old days we used to have only one core for the CPU. So the processes like sending emails, playing music, or maybe opening a browser, or maybe you have opened Skype, maybe you are using Slack. So every process are there, and CPU gonna take one process at a time, right? Okay, so what exactly happened? So every application on your computer is saved on your disk in some form that computer can understand, which is binary form obviously. So whenever you open the application to use it or to run it, so the applications are loaded into memory and they become active processes. So all the Skype or maybe you as open Slack, so those become active processes and loaded into the memory from the disk. And now CPU gonna take one process from all the active processes at one time by using some scheduling algorithm, and or maybe you can think of like dividing the time to each process, which is called time slice. And in this way every process get some time to execute, and meanwhile we are able to see every process is running, so we are happy with that. Now every process needs some resources, so like register is there where we have storage address and instructions, and so you know that every byte has some offset which to which we can refer whenever we need that particular byte, right? I mean CPU will refer. And then there is a program counter, which is counter, which is a place where CPU is able to know that till what point I have done processing and from where I can start the processing again when this process will come again, right? So then there is a stack where we have all the subroutines. So for to be more specific, if you have done recursive programming, so you might have seen that. And then the heap is a dynamic programming, so basically you are assigning some values and creating some variables for that, so those things are happening here. So now if you talk about program counter more, so then for example these are instructions and the location. So program counter is 3 because CPU has processed till this point, and when this process will come again and become as a running process, so CPU will check it out like, okay, I have done till 3 and then I can process further. So this is how a single core process everything in sequentially, and it seems to us like everything is happening simultaneously, right? So that's it for this video and hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe if you really liked the video.